Here we are at FabSpeed, and now we discussed our headers and the other parts for the Porsche 930s. And now I'm going to show you our ingenious muffler for this car. Got a heavy-duty muffler that cannot blow out, not break. And this is the only muffler on the market that gives you the ability to run a single outlet or a dual outlet all in one. And it's 3-inch 76mm tubing for maximum flow. And then also, if you're running a dual outlet, we can give you another 3-inch outlet, 76mm tubing with these beautiful 4.5-inch tips. This is the most powerful, or will support the most horsepower of any system on the market. We can also put velocity stacks in here, or chokes, so you have more torque depending on the size of your engine, the modifications. What else is very unique about this? We make this 3-inch 76mm cap off. So let's say you want to run a single outlet, you can do that. And then you put this cap off over the end of the muffler, and you will not lose any horsepower and torque, even on high horsepower cars. But if you want to run a dual, and you cut your valence open like we showed you in another video, you can uncork this and put this outlet on there. So this is the world's only single outlet or dual outlet functionality all in one, with no compromises in terms of horsepower, torque, and it will not blow out. So it will go with you for any of your needs, and it's ultra heavy duty stainless steel that won't burn out. And we're going to do a soundbite video of the dual, and then we're going to come back and put the cap on, and you can hear what a single outlet sounds like. Here we are, 87-930 with our dual outlet muffler. This is the world's only dual outlet or single outlet all in one. You can run single or you can run dual with absolutely no horsepower penalties. So it's a nice system. So if you have a 930 and you want to just run a single outlet, and later on you want to have duals and be symmetrical at the back, you can uncork it and run a dual at any time. Absolutely no resonance, no droning. Here we are at FabSpeed, 87-930, and we have our dual outlet muffler on there and our air intake. And you can hear the air intake when you get in the boost, makes great sounds. I'll try that again. No resonance, no drone, but you get the air intake. That's a good 12 to 20 horsepower depending on how much power you put into your car.